stuck to my heart like glue. So here we go again, pressing rewind. My dream materialized, and there were you. I'm struggling to realize it's true. Straight from the love dimension, a cosmical intervention. There's something from nothing, out of thin air. Down in the secret conference room, emotions are running high, with each side arguing their stand. One says stay, the other says go, both accusing the other to lie, turning all things of beauty into contraband. My dream materialized, and there were you. I'm struggling to realize it's true. Straight from the love dimension, a cosmical intervention. There's something from nothing, out of thin air. For you to come round, for you to see, and I hope you know now how good it could be. Yeah, yeah, yeah. My dream materialized, there were you. And I'm starting to realize it's true.
You and I, we're always on the edge. We fight and make love at the same time. Would you break up just because I told you what I did last night? I recall the times you said you're sorry, but still I'm not sure if you told lies. But I don't care, it's all forgotten now. We're holy when we touch anyhow. Holy when we touch anyhow. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive.
you.